How to add Bible app widget on Android. Hi everybody, if you are also confused on how you can do and add the widget of the app, these are the methods you can follow and easily add the widget. If you're on Android, you can long press on your home screen, and when you do that, in the bottom you should be finding wallpaper and style, theme, and widgets. So once the app is downloaded, you can tap on this widgets. When you are logged in, you need to be logged in first. So once you are logged in this widget section, you can look for the Bible one. So all you need to do is locate the widget of the Bible app. And once that is done, you can long press on the widget and place it wherever you want in your screen, like this. So you can tap on the verse of the day. You can go ahead and select the down. You can select the languages and everything. And once everything is set it up, you can put it on your screen. So that is it. That is how you basically look out for your Holy Bible widget on your screen. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.